Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable location services in Windows 11. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your settings. Now go to Privacy and Security. Now scroll down and click on Location. Here you can see the option of Location Services. You just have to turn off this button. If you want to disable this, you have to turn off this button, or if you want to enable this, you have to turn on this button. That's it. So this is how you can enable or disable location services in Windows 11. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.